Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Nclex study plan. Start by assessing your baseline with a practice test, then set realistic weekly goals and study blocks. Prioritize high-yield topics and rotate subjects to avoid burnout. Schedule regular full-length practice exams and focused review sessions. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and timed question drills to build endurance and retention. Adjust your plan weekly based on practice scores and confidence. Plan your weeks around timed study blocks and rest periods to maximize retention. Begin each week with a short practice quiz to identify weak areas, then assign 3 focus sessions to those topics. Mix question practice, content review, and simulation of clinical scenarios in each study day. Keep 1 day for cumulative review and a light active recovery to avoid burnout. Track time on task and adjust session length between 30 and 90 minutes as needed. Use active learning techniques to deepen understanding and recall. Create flashcards, teach aloud, and practice Nclex-style questions with detailed rationales after each block. Employ spaced repetition and interleaving across pharmacology, med-surg, pediatrics, and maternity to build connections. Simulate exam conditions weekly with timed blocks and review missed items for patterns. Focus errors into question banks and revise core mnemonics rather than
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.